Two thin dielectric slabs of dielectric constants K1 and K2, K1 less than K2, are inserted between plates of a parallel plate capacitor as shown in the figure. The variation of electric field E between the plates with the distance d is measured from the plate P is correctly shown by. Here you have the parallel plate capacitor. Two dielectric slabs are inserted as shown in the figure with K1 and K2 are their dielectric constants. The variation of electric field shown between the plate P to Q given by 4 graphs. We have to correctly find out of 4 which one is correct. Good. This is a very simple problem. You must know that the electric field inside the dielectric is given by a formula E equals E naught external electric field by the dielectric constant K. So K, it's always greater than 1. So the electric field inside the dielectric slabs are always less than the external field. Here you have only one graph in which the electric field E1 and E2, here it is E2. These two fields are less than the original field E0. Good. So the first graph obviously the correct one. Whereas the second one, here if these two slabs are conductor, then their electric field inside the slab, conducting slab is 0. So we could be correct, but let us not go into that case. And here the electric field inside, in this graph, the third graph, the electric field inside the dielectric slabs are greater than the external field. So that is not possible. Here in one case it is higher, in another case it is lower. So the lower is possible, but the higher is not possible. Good. Let us go the actual way of solving the problem. So the graph had been written and drawn here. Solution: by experiment, it's been found that E, the electric field inside the dielectric, equals the external electric field E naught divided by the dielectric constant K. As K always greater than 1, the electric field inside the dielectric always less than the external field. K1 is less than K2 is given in the problem. Therefore, E1 is greater than E2. Therefore, we can write that E0 greater than E1 greater than E2. So look at the graph. First we get E1 down, second we get E2 down. So the first drop represents E1, the second drop represents the E2. Out of 4 graphs, the first graph, option A, is correct.